Hello students, good morning. Today for a new session. Today we will do certain questions on integration of higher order. Okay, dear students, let's have a journey of beautiful integrations. So if integration is of the form dx upon x square plus a square, if this is the form, then the formula will be 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Okay, let us prove it, because without proof the things will not be digest, right? So x square plus a square cos integration is given. Put x is equal to a tan theta, as tan theta tan square theta plus 1 sec square theta, this type of form. When there is a plus, there is a putting of this type of function is required. Okay, so let us make a derivative. So dx upon d theta is equal to a is a constant, and tan theta ka derivative is sec square theta d theta. Okay, so dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta. Understood? Let's put it. A sec square theta d theta अपन x की जगह पे a स्क्वायर tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस a स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन. सो a sec स्क्वायर थीटा d theta by a square taking common tan square theta plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so a is cancelled out. So sec square theta upon tan square theta plus 1 is it sec square theta d theta, and 1 by a is left. Okay, so 1 by a, this sec theta sec square theta are cancelled out, so d theta ka integration, and upon integration this theta becomes theta plus c. So doing the substitution, 1 by a is equal to plus theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Putting this, theta is equal to tan inverse x by a plus c, and this is the formula derivation. Okay, so let's do few questions to make it stabilized. Okay, so here it is, question number 1. Okay, so question number 1 is of elements book. Let us try. Do 2 number, first bit. So dx upon 3x square plus 7 is the question. So as we have seen that this type of form is of tan inverse, so make an arrangement as coefficient of x square must be 1, so we have to take common 3 and divide it with 7 by 3. Okay, so let's begin. 1 upon 3 dx. So now 3 taking common, so x square plus 7 upon 3. But this is not of the form of a square, so make it arrangement. Dx is equal to x ka whole square plus root over of 7 by 3 ka whole square. Understood? So 1 upon 3 dx upon x square plus root over of 7 by 3 ka square ka integration. So 1 by 3 tan inverse x by root over of 7 by 3 plus c. That implies that it's equal to 1 by 3 root 3x upon root 7, and that is of tan inverse plus c. And this is your answer. Very easy. Just convert this frame to the formulation form and then apply the formula to get your answer. Hope you have understood. Let's try a different one. Little bit tough and have a learning scope. Okay. So number one bit 3. So dx upon x ln x का square plus 25 within curly braces. Okay, such type of questions have certain thing extra. This x is extra. What does it mean? It requires certain amount of substitution. So put ln x is equal to t. Okay. So now ln x का derivative d by dx of ln x is equal to dt by dx. Okay. What does it mean? 1 by x and converting a dx is equal to dt. So dx by x can be converted to dt, and the rest are t square plus 5 ka square. Now it can be converted to formula. So 1 by a means 1 by 5 tan inverse t by 5. So now back to the original form, that means punarmoshika bhava. So t is ln x upon 5 plus c. Right, this is your answer. So look at here 1 by 3. Oh, here 1 by a is missing, so root 7 1 by 8, 7 by 3, so root 3 by 7. That means your answer will be 1 by root over of 21. Okay, tan inverse root 3x upon root 7 plus c. Sorry, bachcho. So this is the number 3. Now let's move to the number 4 one. So let's try a bit tough. So x to the power n, x to the power 9 upon x to the power 20 plus 4 dx. So again, certain extra thing requires the suspects on substitution. Okay, that means this new things gives a suspension of substitution. So by squaring, make it little bit of arrangement. X square to the power 10 plus 4. Sorry, we have to make it what? X square. So instead of that, make it x to the power 10 ka square plus 2 ka square. Okay, now put x to the power 10 is equal to t. So dt is equal to 10 x to the power 9 dx. This x to the power 9 dx can be converted into dt by 10. So 1 by 10 dt upon t ka square plus 2 ka square. So 1 by 10. So this is formulation of tan inverse. So 1 by 2 and 1 by a tan inverse t by 2 plus c. So 1 by 20 tan inverse t is x to the power 10 by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is the beautiful question. So let's do another one. Okay, so let's move to bit tough one. 2x plus 4 upon x square plus 4 dx. So split it into two parts. Okay, so 3x upon x square plus 4 dx and plus 4 upon dx by x square plus 4. So here we can use the tan inverse formula, but here it is x is something there. So we can put x square plus 4 as t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So 3x dx can be written as dt by 2 into 3. That means 3 by 2 of dt. So write it 3 by 2 of dt by t. Integration plus 4 dx upon this one is x square plus 2 square integration. So this will convert to 3 by 2 dt by t is long t. Okay, plus 4 by 2 tan inverse x by a plus c. So 3 by 2 ln t is x square plus 4. Okay, and plus 2 tan inverse x upon 2 plus c. So this is your answer number 6. Okay, so let's move to the bit difficult one. So this is the most important question often asked by the examiners. This is required little bit of arrangement, little bit of better arrangement. Okay, so dx upon x square plus 6x plus 13. So it needs the squaring. So for the squaring purpose, we are doing certain arrangement. So dx upon x square plus 2x 2 into ab 2 3 into x. That means here 3 is there. So there must be 9 because 3 square 9 and excluding 9, the remaining part is 4. So this is the arrangement. So certain extra term has been excluded. So this becomes this term becomes x plus 3 ka whole square. X plus 3 ka whole square. And remaining is 2 ka square. 4 is 2 ka square. Understood? So this arrangement makes it to the form of tan inverse x by a. So tan inverse x plus 3 by 2 and 1 by a is also there. 1 by 2 plus c. Understood? It's easier, but it can be extended to the further part. By the next question you can see it. Okay, so look at here. So this is v triple I. This is the most better form which can be asked in your exam. So rest are only for practice and giving you the illumination of learning. So x square plus 6x plus 13 dx. Okay, so look at here, x plus 5. We can split it up. Okay, first we have to convert it into square form, the denominators. Okay, so let's do it. X plus 5 is equal to divided by x square plus 2 into 3 into x. 6x can be split into 2 into 3 into x. So b square must be 3 square 9 plus remaining is 4. Understood? Now x plus 5, so this much is x plus 3 square plus 2 square. So everything is fine, but here extra 2 is there. X plus 3 if we put, so x plus 3 upon x plus 3 square plus 2 square one term, and other term is 2 dx upon x plus 3 square plus 2 square. This is another term. Okay, so this term can be put x plus 3 equal to t. So look at here. So this put it I1, this is I2. So total is I. So I1 can be solved to x plus 3 dx upon x plus 3 square plus 2 square. So put x plus 3 is equal to t. So dx is equal to dt, no change in t dt upon t square plus 4. So now again further t square 4, if it is z, then 2t dt is equal to dz. So t dt is equal to dz by 2. So dz by 2, that means 1 by 2 is taking outside by z. So this becomes 1 by 2 ln z. Now converting 1 by 2 ln z into t is equal to t square by 4, and for the t square by 4 to the total new equation x square plus 6x plus 13 root over yes, this much root over. Okay, now we are interested to find 2. 2 is directly, I2 can be written directly, I2 is equal to 2 upon 2 tan inverse x plus 3 by 2 plus c2 say. So the previous one xc1 say. So combining these two, I becomes I1 plus I2. What does it mean? So I1 means ln x square plus 6x plus 13. Ln x square plus 6x plus 13 root over come mod. This has to be positive. Okay, plus tan inverse x plus 3 by 2 plus c1 plus c2, which can be written as c. So ln x square plus 6x plus 13, we can make it like this as well. Okay, tan inverse x plus 3 upon 2 plus c, where c is c1 plus c2. Okay, so this is your answer. Hope you have understood the questions which we have done today, and keep learning and enjoy the journey of learning, because students, you are going to miss it. You are going to miss the best period of your life, because this learning period are the best periods, because after that you can't learn anything. You can learn a bit, but this maximum learning can be possible at your age. Bye bye, take care.